Hello everyone, welcome again to part 10. Two more letters in the series of Arabic alphabets within words in the middle, in the beginning and at the end of words. The two letters of today are, as usual, I'm going to use a marker so it will be easier for you to follow with me. So we will go from right to left. The letter in Arabic as an alphabet, we call it meme. Meme. The equivalent sound in English is M. M. That's fine. As the objective, of course, is to know how to use it either in writing or how to distinguish it among other letters when you are reading Arabic. So if you are to write it in the beginning, it must be like this. It must be attached to the letter that follows it, like in the word ملعب, which means in English stadium. Nice. If you are to write it in the middle like this, it must be attached to the letter that comes before it and the letter that comes after it, except for the letters alif and waw, as we will see like exceptions. The example here, namlun, namlun, is the equivalent of the English word ants. If you are to write it at the end, it keeps like 90% or 100% of its original shape, where it has this something like this Q at the end, this tail at the end, like the word atamma, which means to complete. The exception is when the letter, all the Arabic letters, when they come after alif like this or after waw, they must be written separately. They cannot be attached to them. So this is the case for the letter mim. Now let's see the following letter, this one. In Arabic as an alphabet, it's called nun, nun. And the equivalent sound in English is N, N. When you are to write it in the beginning of the word, as all letters, they are attached, most of letters, they are attached to the letter that comes after them, like in the word naumun, naumun, which means sleep, as a noun. If you are to write it in the middle of the word, it must be attached to the letter that comes before it and to the letter that comes after it, like in the word here, kanasa, which means to sweep. The last, if you are to write it at the end of the word, of course, it is attached to the letter that comes before it, but there is no letter after it, so it looks like its original shape, fannun, as article, which as example, which means art. Let's remind you of the exception that we always say. When the Arabic letters come after alif or waw, like this, alif here, or waw here, they cannot be attached to them. They must be written separately. This is it, guys, for the two letters of today. I hope the video is beneficial, clear, and to the point. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share the video, and comment. Then expect more lessons, inshallah, of diacritics, of compound letters. After that, we'll move to pronouns, then tenses, then subject, then object, then sentences of Arabic, etc., etc. Enjoy your time. Blessings.